Creating a successful YouTube channel involves more than just uploading videos. Here are some tips to help you grow your audience and improve your content. 1. Identify your niche. Choose a specific topic, focus on a particular area that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. This helps you build a dedicated viewer base. Research competitors, see what other creators in your niche are doing, and find ways to differentiate yourself. 2. Create high-quality content. Plan your video script or outline your videos to keep them concise and engaging. Invest in good equipment, use a decent camera and microphone. Good audio quality is crucial. Editing matters, use video editing software to cut out unnecessary parts and add effects, music, or text to enhance the viewer's experience. 3. Optimize your videos for search. Use strong titles, craft compelling and descriptive titles that include relevant keywords. Thumbnails, create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your video. Description and tags, write detailed descriptions and use tags that help YouTube's algorithm understand your video's content. 4. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, engage with viewers by responding to comments. It builds a community and encourages more interaction. Ask for feedback, encourage viewers to leave comments, ask questions, and suggest future video topics. 5. Consistency is key. Upload regularly, set a schedule and stick to it, whether it's once a week or more. Consistency helps retain your audience. Batch record, consider recording multiple videos at once to stay ahead of your schedule. 6. Promote your videos. Social media, share your videos on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with other creators, partner with other YouTubers to cross-promote content. Use end screens and cards. These tools help keep viewers on your channel by suggesting other videos. 7. Analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics, monitor your channel's performance, including watch time, click-through rate, CTR, and audience retention. Use this data to improve future content. A/B testing, experiment with different thumbnails, titles, and content styles to see what works best. 8. Monetization. AdSense, once eligible, enable monetization through AdSense to start earning from ads. Affiliate marketing, include affiliate links in your video descriptions if relevant. Merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, consider selling branded merchandise. 9. Stay up to date. Trends. Keep an eye on current trends in your niche and create content that taps into what's popular. YouTube updates. Stay informed about YouTube's policies and algorithm changes. 10. Be patient. Growth takes time. Building a successful YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent and keep improving your content. By focusing on these areas, you can increase your chances of building a successful YouTube channel.